here at the Great Crossing Dam that we just recently removed here about 10 days ago. We've got department staff, approximately 25 people here today. We've got a dozen boats, and we're here today picking up debris and trash.
Today we're trying to cover 1 mile of the North Fork Elkhorn, which coincides with the new water pool elevation. So we removed about 6.5 to 7 feet of head or water elevation by removing the Great Crossing Low Head Dam.
We're doing Fish and Wildlife CrossFit out here today, cleaning up the Elkhorn, getting loads and loads of tires and weed eaters and shopping carts and lawnmowers, you name it.
It just shows the extra effort that our people put in. We have the resources, we have the people that are eager to come out here and finish the job. I mean, we go the extra mile.
What we find is a significant amount of trash. It's been remnant or legacy trash just along the banks. We think it's the right thing to steward and remove as much of that as physically possible.
I'd like to give a huge shout out to the Scott County leadership, the Scott County Road Department. They've got a backhoe out here, and so we're floating trash down this stream to the ramp, and we're offloading it into a backhoe and taking it to the landfill. This project's not complete until we come out here and do the finishing touches. We've actually got grass germinating here on the bank just in 1 week.
Our intent is to leave it better than we found it.